In this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step tutorial of how to play How Great Thou Art in the key of C. My name is Christine, and here at the Gospel Method, we want to make sure you have all the tools you need to play your favorite gospel songs on the piano. For tons of free resources like the one we're going to be using today, as well as many others, be sure to go to thegospelmethod.com and set up your free membership. And be sure to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on any free tutorials. Let's jump right into our song today. Like I mentioned, this PDF is over on thegospelmethod.com, so you can print it out absolutely for free and follow along. This is page 1 of 5, so this is going to be the basics, talking about the major and minor chords, and we're also going to go over some slash chords. I'm going to play through it once so you can hear what it sounds like with the verse and the chorus, and then we're going to go step by step, right hand and left hand, and show you every piece that you need to try. Okay, so starting with verse 1, oh Lord my God, when I in awesome wonder consider all the worlds thy hands have made, I see the stars, I hear the rolling thunder, thy power throughout the universe displayed. Sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. So let's start with our right hand over here on verse 1. We're going to have a G major chord, just one. You can see this song is in 4/4 time, so most of these are 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see that each chord is played for 4 times, or 2, sometimes 2 and 2 together. But this is actually just one that gets us started. Okay, so we have this one random G, and then we're jumping in. This C is kind of like our strong beat to count our groups of 4. So we have one G chord on our right hand, so that would be B, D, and G. That is a G major chord with an inversion. If you're not familiar with your inversions yet, be sure to go back to our other series. We have year 1 and year 2, where we talk about major, minor chords, inversions, sevens, left-hand patterns, all kinds of stuff. Full-length videos on each of those topics. All right, so we have G major, one beat. So we're just going to play it one time, and then we're going to go over to our C major, and we're playing that 4 times. God, when I in awesome, up to the F. So C, F, and A. Again, that's an F major chord, but with an inversion. Awesome wonder, consider all. C major, but it has a slash, so I make these red on my handouts. C slash G means that the left hand is playing G, the right hand will just play a C chord. All the worlds, now we're back to G major. Worlds thy hands have made, and then made, we're back to C major. So made, lots of C's. I see the stars, keep playing C. I hear the rolling, up to F major again. Rolling thunder, thy power throughout. Again, that's C over G. The universe displayed. Now we have F over G. So right hand will play an F major chord, left hand will play the G note. So universe displayed, F over G. Then sings my, and we do it again. Sings my soul, up to the chorus. My Savior God, to thee. So you can see sometimes we have 2 beats. So we have C slash, that means we would play C 2 times. F slash, we play F 2 times. And then sometimes we have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So just be careful with your counting. This song is very steady beat. So as long as you're counting your slashes, you'll be able to follow along. Let's start. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. These are all chords we know. How great thou art, how great thou art. Then we have it 1 F over G. Then sings my, back to C. Soul, my Savior God, to thee. Now we have D minor. In this case, we're going to play D minor in root position, D, F, A. How great thou art, how great thou right, so nice and steady, just count your slashes, major and minor chords, and we have a couple of slash chords in there. You may have noticed when we started this does say level 1. So we have How Great Thou Art 1. We, like I mentioned, major, minor chords, and slash chords. This is a 5-page document over on thegospelmethod.com. So if you do want higher levels, in this song we talk about 7th chords. There are lots of them. And we also talk about the 2-5-1 progression. So if you've seen that online, I always used to think it was so confusing, but we break it down very, very easily, and we write them in for you so you can see where they come from. And by the end of it, you'll be playing all of your beats will have a different chord, okay? So if this is easy and you're looking to go to the next level, definitely go check out our premium membership. It is very reasonably priced, a month-to-month program, and you have access to everything in there. So my left hand is just going to play whatever letter my right hand is playing. So if my right hand is playing G major chord, my left hand will play G, and I will only play when I see letters, not slashes, okay? So, oh Lord my God, when I in awesome wonder consider all G because of the slash chord, the worlds thy hands have made. I see the stars, I see the rolling thunder, thy power throughout the universe displayed. So I'm going to play hands together, but I'll go slow so you can see if you have any questions. Oh Lord my God, when I in awesome wonder consider all the worlds thy hands have made, I see the stars, I hear the rolling thunder, thy power throughout the universe displayed. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. And then at the end you could make sure you have a group of 4 and end it. Okay, so that's How Great Thou Art. Like I said, make sure you go over to the premium method if you want some more added into the song. We have 4 different levels. I believe it's 5 pages for this one. There is video lessons each month that get added into that membership. Handouts like you see here today at all different levels. We also have a library of songs that are in all 12 keys, so you can practice, simple songs in F or B flat if that's something that's new to you as well. And we do have a question and answer session on Zoom once a month with myself. So if you have any questions about what's on the premium membership, any questions about what you've seen on our YouTube channel, or anything that you're bringing from your own songs, we do have the 1-hour session where you can bring any questions, and I'll do my best to answer those for you. So make sure to check that out, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!